Greetings YouTube, and welcome to the 20th edition of Season 1 of the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. In this episode, we're going to bring you an update on our 24-inch by 18-inch Hugel Culture Garden planter that we have right here next to our front porch, right beside our main Hugel Culture Garden planter. And if you recall from our previous videos, we planted early peas in the front row of this planter, and we planted cucumbers in the rear row of this planter. It's been approximately 28 days since we planted our plants in this planter, and we're going to give you an update on what they look like after 28 days here in this planter. Alright YouTube, if you recall from our previous videos, this is what our early peas looked like when we first brought you our last video update on this planter. And this is what they look like now. Check this out, YouTube. As you can see, our early peas have really taken off here in this front row. They're looking really nice and even beginning to climb our trellis here. Looking really nice. Actually, if you recall from our previous videos, we had one here on this end that didn't germinate. We're not too concerned about that. We still have quite a few left. We have one here that during that cold weather we had here recently, this plant actually, the growth on this plant actually got stunted, and we're almost certain that this plant is not going to make it at this point. And we also had another one that got stunted here, but it's actually looking well, even though it's far behind the growth rate of the other plants here in this planter. So we're going to leave this one in here and probably just end up removing this one from this planter. But at any rate, as you can see, YouTube, after about a month of growth, this is what our early peas are looking like in our 24-inch by 18-inch Hugel Culture Garden planter right here in our front yard next to our front porch and our main Hugel Culture Garden planter right here. And if you recall, YouTube, in the back row of this planter, we planted cucumbers, and we're going to show you guys what they're looking like right now after the same amount of time. We planted these cucumbers at the same time that we planted the early peas here, so we're going to show you what they look like right now after the same amount of time in this planter. Check this out, YouTube. As you can see, our cucumbers have really taken off, and they have even begun to climb our trellis, climb the strings of our trellis. So we're really impressed by how well they're doing at this point in this planter. And like we mentioned in our last video, we actually did remove the other mulch we had in this planter. The mixture, the combination of shredded oak leaves and lawn clippings, we removed that from this planter and replaced it with the same wood chips that we used in our planter over there. So as you can see, we have the same mulch in this planter that we had over there, and we plan on doing the same thing in our main Hugel Culture Garden planter after we thin those plants out in that garden planter over there. We're going to do the same thing and use the same type of mulch there in that planter as well. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching, and we'll bring you an update on this planter again in about another month and show you how much progress that these plants have made at this point. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see in this video of YouTube, please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button beneath this video. Thanks.